Click on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
Hello YouTube, this is Deepika from Nothing Wire, and today we have the OnePlus 6 with us. So we'll do the unboxing of the gorgeous OnePlus 6 in this video and also see the first look of it. So guys, finally here's the OnePlus 6. Let's just open the box. So this is the basic standard packaging of OnePlus. The speed you need is the tagline of OnePlus 6 this time. Let's just open it slowly. Ooh. Yeah. So on the top there's a gorgeous OnePlus 6. Here's the C-type charging cable. So this is the dash charger, which is, you can see, 5 volt 4 ampere. Let's just see what's there in this box. So there's this TPU case first of all. This is nice, decent quality. After that there's the SIM ejecting tool. Then there's this paperwork, quick start guide, safety information, and some stickers of OnePlus. So guys, this is the brand new OnePlus 6 in front of you, and this time we have the mirror black version with us. Earlier I did the hands-on of the white color on the launch event. So this is seriously a gorgeous looking handset. All the cuts and curves are really seamless and the bezels are very thin from all sides. Like, you can say it's totally bezel-less. Along with that, it has a glass on the front and back placed on this metallic aluminium frame, which makes it quite sturdy. The hold in the hand is really nice. Although the screen size is 6.28, a massive screen size, then too it fits well in the hand. It has optic AMOLED touch capacitive screen with a 402 ppi pixel density, and there's this notch formation placed very nicely so that none of the notifications are missed out. This glass is scratch resistant, or you can say it has Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Let's talk about the hardware. So on the top it has the earpiece and a 16 megapixel front camera, sensors. You can see this screen guard is already pre-installed here. Then on the top we have this noise cancellation mic. On the right side there's this power button and the alert slider. Very nice texture, kind of metallic feedback on the alert slider. You can also customize it. Seamless curves. And below we have this slanted curve, which is very, very classy. And then the speaker grill, C-type charging port, mouthpiece, and the 3.5 mm Oreo jack. This charging port also allows reverse charging. Let's come to the back, which is the most impressive in this phone. So there's this vertical formation, kind of a dual camera setup placed in the middle of the back. This is a 16 megapixel plus 20 megapixel dual camera setup with LED flash and an oval shaped fingerprint sensor. OnePlus logo here and designed by OnePlus. The screen looks very bright, classy, and right now see the brightness level is quite like in the lower side, but then too screen has like apt brightness. Let's run through the settings. About phone. So Phone name OnePlus 6. It runs on Oxygen OS version 5.1.0. RAM is 8 GB, storage is 128 GB. So quite good storage already given here. And it has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset. That's an amazing chipset. On that you can play all the high-end games along with multitasking. Battery is 3300 mAh. Viewing angles are really nice and decent. The back camera is a combination of 20 plus 16 plus 20 megapixels. So shutter speed is quite decent. Here you have options of timer, HDR, aspect ratio and flash. So it has a dual LED flash. Then there's this beauty slider, and we have modes like video, photo and portrait. You can click amazing portrait because it has a dual lens combination, so the bokeh effect created here is very nice. These are some more modes. Both the 16 as well as 20 megapixels lenses are of f1.7 aperture. And let's switch to the front camera. It is a 16 megapixel front shooter of HDR, aspect ratio, flash. It has auto HDR. Also it has EIS as well as OIS. Then there is this beauty slider and some more options of video, portrait, time-lapse, panorama, pro mode and photo. So there's a pro mode in the front camera as well. See the overall you cannot see much bloatware as such. Let's see some of the pictures I just clicked. So the details are so nice. I have tried a little bit in different lighting conditions. You can see this is a landscape picture, but the details are so nice. See the people, what colors what they're wearing, and all the edges of the sofas are quite clear. The stairs and all, every brick is very nicely detailed. Just click some selfies as well. Selfies also came out quite nice and sharp. So this was the first look of the OnePlus 6. We'll be back with more videos on OnePlus 6. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and bye.